everyone! Today, we'll be making Dropbear Snot. You will need a microwavable bowl, a 1 cup measuring cup, psyllium husk, green food colouring, and edible glitter, but that's optional. Before we start, make sure you have a parent with you to help. Firstly, add 1 cup of water into the bowl. Then, add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. Now add 2 drops of food colouring and edible glitter. And then mix. Oh, that looks so gross! Perfect! Now have an adult put your slime in the microwave, but only microwave it for 1 minute at a time. It should be pretty good after 3 to 4 minutes, but you can keep cooking it if you want it to be tougher. Make sure the adult removes the bowl from the microwave. It'll be super hot, and watch out, because the slime needs to cool. Have an adult check this too. It may need moving around from time to time to ensure all parts of the slime are cool. And once the slime's cooled down, it's all yours to play with. How cool is this? Looks like Dropbear Snot to me. Ugh.